Hi everyone, this is Easy Math. In this video, we are going to see Class 8 Mathematics Chapter 1, in which we are doing the exercise sums from, that is exercise 1.6, which is about exponents and powers. So in previous video, we have done from first to 6 sums we have finished. Now we'll continue from question number 7. Let us read the question. Solve for x. First one is 2 to the power 2x minus 1 divided by 2 power x plus 2 is equal to 4. Solve for x. What does it mean? We have to find the value of x. Solving means finding the value of unknown. Okay, we have to solve and get the value of x by solving this equation. So let us write the question. It is 2 power 2x minus 1 divided by 2 power x plus 2 is equal to 4. Now what is this? Look at this. It is division of powers. We have to use quotient rule. Do you remember the rule? Let us recall them. Product rule. A to the power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. To multiply the two exponents with the same base, we add the powers. Same way, to divide a power m divided by a power n is a to the power m minus n. To divide, we have to subtract the powers. Look at it. This is just like the second formula, quotient rule. 2 to the power 2x minus 1 divided by 2 power x plus 2. 2 and 2 bases are same and it is division. So what do? Subtract the powers. 2 to the power, the numerator power minus denominator power. So numerator is 2x minus 1 minus, and the denominator, power of the denominator is x plus 2. If you simply put like this x plus 2, then minus sign is only for x. Then your sum will go wrong. Minus, we have to subtract. There are two terms in the power. So this minus sign is common for both the terms. This bracket is necessary. Don't forget that. Is equal to 4, right as it is. Now let us simplify the power. 2 to the power, we'll remove the bracket. 2x minus 1, how to remove? Multiplying with minus sign. Minus into plus is minus x, then minus into plus is minus 2 is equal to, we'll write this 4 because here the base is 2, left hand side base is 2. So right hand side 4 also, we'll write this 4 as a power of 2. Why power of 2? Because left hand side the base is 2. So this 4 also will make the base as 2. So what is 4? If you do the prime factorization, 2 2s are 4. So we can write 4 as 2 into 2. What is 2 into 2? 2 is multiplied 2 times. That means 2 square. 4, we are rewriting it as 2 square. Okay. Now let us simplify the power now. There are x terms. 2x minus x. What is the coefficient here? 1. So 2x minus 1x is 1x. We can just write x. For 1x, we can put x. Now minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 is equal to 2 square. Now what's the next step? Since the bases are same, we can equate the power. So what are the powers? Here x minus 3 is equal to 2. So it is solving equation. How to find the value of x? X is equal to right hand side number as it is, and minus, when it goes the right hand side, minus becomes plus. So x is equal to 2 plus 3 is 5. So solve for x means we have to find the value of x. Solve for x is the question. That means we have to find the value of x, which is x is equal to 5 we have got. Okay, so only thing is, the first step we are using the rule of quotient of exponents and radicals. So divide, we have to subtract the powers. That's all. Only that step you should know. After that, it is only the simplification. Okay. Now in seventh question number 7, subdivision 2, just like the previous sum. Here the bases are 5. See, into. To multiply, what we have to do? To multiply the exponents with the same basis, we have to add the powers. M plus n, add the powers. So we'll add all the powers on the numerator because it is multiplication. All the 3 5s, write 1 5, add the powers. It is 5 plus, what is the second power? Minus 4. When two signs come together like this, we put a bracket to separate them. Plus, what is the third power is x. Okay, and now what to do with the power of the denominator? By, it is division. So subtract the power of the denominator, it becomes minus 12. This is all multiplication, so add all the powers, and this is division, so subtract the power. Equal to 5 to the power minus 5. Now let us simplify the power. 5 to the power, we'll remove the bracket first. 5 plus into minus. When you multiply two different signs, it is minus 4 plus x minus 12. All this expression is in the power of 5. So write it carefully. 5 to the power minus 5. Now we'll simplify the power of 5. What do you get? How many x? There is only one x term. So just x. Now look at the constants. What are constants? The numbers. Add all the positive, add all the negative. How many positive numbers? Only one positive plus 5. And add the negative, minus 4, minus 12. Signs are same. Add and put the common sign. What do you get? Minus 16 is equal to 5 power minus 5. And next step, 5 to the power, x as it is, plus 5 minus 16. Signs are different, so we have to subtract and put the greater number sign. 16 minus 5 is minus 11. Sign of the greater number negative equal to 5 power minus 5. Now look at this. Bases are same, just like the previous one. Equate the powers. What is the power here? X minus 11 is equal to power is minus 5. Now how to find the value of x? Keep only x on the left hand side is equal to right hand side minus 5 as it is. This minus 11, when it goes the right hand side, it becomes plus 11. Minus becomes plus and plus becomes minus. Multiplication changes to division and division changes to multiplication. Now x is equal to minus 5 plus 7. What do you see in the signs? They are different. So different signs, rule of integers, subtract and put the sign of the greater number. 11 minus 5 is 6. Greater number is 11 and sign of 11 is plus. Answer is also plus. So what is the value of x? It is 6. Now question number 8. Expand using exponents. Exponents means powers. This decimal numbers we have to write in the form of an exponential form by expanding it. What is this number? 6054.321. So this expansion we have already done in the junior classes. How do you expand it? 6. This is just by multiplying the place values. Let us put the place values first. Before the point is the whole number. After the point is the decimal part. So just 4 is a ones place number. This is ones and tens and hundreds and this is thousands. This is the usual place values we put in the whole numbers. Now after the point, the decimal part, how do you put the place values? The first one is tenth, TTH, tenth. Then hundredth, HTH. Then thousandth, THTH. We start from tenth, hundredth, thousandth, starting from the number just after the point. Now how to expand it? This becomes 6 into 1000. 6000 means 6 into 1000 plus 0 into 100 plus 5 into 10. Multiply the number by its place value, by its place. Plus 4 into 1. Okay. Now, after the point, plus. What do you have now? 3 tenth means 3 into 1 by 10. Plus 2 into 100th means 1 by 100. Plus. Last number digit is 1 into 1 by 1000. This is how we expand. Before the point, we multiply by the powers of 10 in the whole numbers. And after the point, we divide by the powers of 10. Powers of 10 means 10 is 10 power 1. This is 10 square is 100. 10 cube is 1000. We multiply by the powers of 10 in the whole numbers as you move from the ones digit to the higher place value. And in the decimal part, we divide by the powers of 10. Now we should write this in exponential notation, that is power form. 6 into 10 to the power. How many zeros? 3 zeros means 10 power 3. 10 cube is 1000. Plus 0 into anything gives you 0 only. So we can leave it out. 0 into any number is 0 only. Plus will I go to the next one? 5 into 10 is multiplied only one time. So 10 power 1. Plus 4 into 1. What is 1? 1 means 10 to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So 1 we can write as 10 power 0. Plus, look at the next one, you should be very careful. 3 into 1 by 10. We want to take this 10 to the numerator. So from the denominator, when the number goes to the numerator, the power changes its sign. Now here it is just 10 means 10 power 1 and plus 1 becomes minus 1 when you take it to the numerator. Plus, tell me the next one, 2 into, this is 10 square in the denominator. When it goes to the numerator, 10 power minus 2 plus 1 into 10 power denominator, it is 10 cube. When it goes to the numerator, 10 power minus 3. So this is how we write the decimal number in the expanded form with the power notation. Power notation means in terms of power. So shall we try the next one? Come on, tell me now. First, write the place values. Ones, tens, hundred. That's all over. After the point, tenth, TTH, hundredth, HTH. Now, starting from highest place value. 8 into which place? 100. Plus 9 into 10. Plus 7 into 1 is plus 1 into 10th. 10th means 1 by 10. Plus 4 into 100th means 1 by 100. That's all. Now we'll rewrite it using power. 100 means 10 to the power. There are 2 zeros. It is 10 power 2. 10 into 10 is 100. Plus 9 into 10 power. 10 is multiplied only one time. So power 1. Plus 7 into what is the value of 1? We know it is 10 power 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So since we have here 10 in basis as 10, here also we'll rewrite this 1 as 10 power 0. Plus what is the next number? 1 into 10 to the power. It is in the denominator. When it goes to the numerator, power minus 1. Then plus 4 into 100 means it is 1 by 10 square. Take it to the numerator, it becomes 1 by 10 power minus 2. So this is the expanded form of the given decimal numbers. Now question number 9, find the number in standard form for the following expansions. So it is just the reverse of question number 8. Standard form is given, we expanded. Now expanded form is given, we have to write like this as a standard form of a decimal number. We should write like this as a simplified decimal number. Okay. Now first number write as it is. No problem in starting with the starting number 8 into 10 power 4. Now after 10 power 4, you should have 10 power 3. The power should go in the descending order. From highest power to the lowest power, you must have the numbers. After 4, 3, 2, 1. So if any number is missing in between, for that number, for that digit, we will put 0. Now power 4 is there. So just 8. After 10 power 4, you should have 10 power 3. Okay, 10 cube, that is thousands place is there. So it is 7. After 8, 7. After 10, for this we have written 8. For this we have written 7. And then 4, 3, 2 is there. So we should write 6. Hundreds place. Then after hundreds place, you should have 10 power 1. Tens place. Yes, 10 power 1 is also there. After ones place, it should be tens place. It is ones place. Ones place means into 1. It is there. 2. Okay. Now after that, this ones place now. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So the whole number, like this, the whole part is over. Now we have to move on to the, because the power is negative. So that comes after the point. So decimal part. So keep a point and write the next. And after the point, after one's place, the place value starts with 10 power minus 1. But we have 10 power minus 2. So minus 1 is missing. For that missing digit, you have to put 0. This is in 10th place. Now after 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2 is there. That is 4. Then after 10 power minus 2, we should have 10 power minus 3. Do you have 10 power minus 3? Next we have minus 4 only. So 10 power minus 3, thousandth place is missing, 0. Then 10 power minus 4 is 10,000th place is there, 7. So this is the standard form of this expanded notation. Okay, shall we try the next one? Look at it. First number as it is, you write. Next is power 3. After 3, the power should go in descending order from greater to smaller. 10 cube, we have finished. After 10 cube, the power should be 2. 10 square. Do you have a 10 square? 10 square means the hundreds place, not there. So there is no hundreds place, we'll put 0. So after power 3, power 2 is not there, we put 0. After 10 power 2, 10 power 1, it is there. So 10's place is 5. Then after 10's place, 1's place, we should have 1's place. See, after 10 power 1, we should have a number into 1, 1's place. 1's place number is missing. For that again 0. Okay. Now after ones place, minus negative power starts. So we have to put a point. Then tenth. Tenth means 10 power minus 1. It is there. So for this you write 5. Then you should have 10 power minus 2. It is missing. 0. So then 10 power minus 3. The number is 5. So 5050.505. And look at this. This is not in expanded form. This is in scientific form. We have learnt this in the introduction video. Scientific form means the whole number before the point, the whole number should be from 1 to 9. This is not in scientific form. This is in standard form. It is a standard form of a decimal number. But scientific form means the whole part should be only from 1 to 9. It cannot be 10 and above 10, and even it cannot be 0 also. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So this is given in scientific form. We have to write it like this as a what form? In standard form of a decimal number. Now to change into standard form, you look at the power of 10. It is minus 11. So if the power is negative, when you have to move the point 11 digits, the power is 11. So you have to move 11 digits to the left side. From here we have to move it towards left. Towards your left hand side we have to move. How many digits? 11 digits. And why are we moving towards left? Because the power is negative. If the power is positive, then we will move the point to the right side. If the power is negative, we move the point to the left side. How many numbers will you move? 11 numbers. So you put point. Here we have only one number 2. So how many more numbers? Before the point we should have 11 digits. So you write 2. We have to move like this. Only one digit. We need 11 digits. So what to do for the other 10 digits? We have to put zeros. So from here the point is moved 1 digit. Then we need 10 more digits. For those 10 digits we will be putting zeros. So from here we have moved 11 digits. Look at it. Point was here. We have moved 11 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. From here we moved 11 digits and moved the point 11 digits to the left side, because the power is 11, and after 2 that 5 will be as it is. So this is the standard form and this is in scientific form. Okay. Now let's write the following numbers in scientific notation. You see, scientific. Now here such a big number. The scientific notation helps us to write the number in simplified form. Okay, so that it is easy for us to read and write the numbers. Look at this. Can you put the place values and read this number? It is so difficult to read this number. So when you write in scientific form, it becomes like this. See, look at this number itself. It is 0.00000. Reading is so difficult and we get confused with the number of zeros also. But look at this. It is in simplified form. It is in scientific form. It is easy to read and write and also understand the value of the number. So that is the use of scientific notation. Now we have to write, this is in standard form. We have to write in scientific form. How to do? The point is here. So how many digits? The whole number should be from 1 to 9. So the point has to come here. From here, when there is no point in a whole number, the point is at the end. So from here, we have to move till here. How many digits we are moving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 digits we are moving. So this is the answer for this is 4 point. What is the number? So we'll do it here. Now it is a whole number. Where is the decimal point? The point is here at the end. So from here we have to move the point till here. So how many digits are we moving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 digits we are moving towards left side. So it is 4.678 into 10 to the power 11. Why 11? Because we are moving 11 digits. And why are we keeping the point? Why are we shifting up to between 4 and 6? Why can't we shift it between 6 and 7? Why can't we shift the point between 8 and 0? What is the condition? The condition is the whole number should be from 1 to 9. If you shift the point here from 6 and 7, the whole number becomes 46, which is more than 9. But what is the condition for scientific notation? The whole number has to be from 1, 2, 3 up to 9 only. It cannot be 0, it cannot be 10 and above. That is why we have to move till here. Now look at it, the point is here. Till where will you move? Look at this number. Till here we have to move. Then only the whole number becomes 1, which is between 1 and 9. So move now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit we are moving. So from here, we are shifting the point till here. So it becomes 1.972 into 10 to the power. How many digits we shifted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. To the right side, so it is minus. When you shift to the left side, power is positive. When you move the point to the right side, it is negative. Now the point is here. Where will you move? Left or right? Yes, to the left. Then only the whole number will become between 1 and 9. How many digits? 1, 2, 3 digits we are moving. So the point comes here. 1 point. After that, write all the numbers together. 6, 4, 2, 3, 9, 8 into 10 to the power. How many digits we moved? 1, 2, 3 to the left side. So when you move to the left side, it is positive. So plus 3. Now, where is the point now? Point is here. So, how many digits are we moving? It has to come here. So, move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 digits we are moving. So, it becomes 1.083 into 10 to the power. From right, we are moving towards left. It is positive 12. And here, next one, if you count the zeros, there are 23 zeros here. So from here we have to move 23 zeros and it has to come till here. The point has to, from here, the point we should move between 1 and 6. So it is 1.6 into 10 to the power. There are 23 zeros and this digit 1. So 23 and this 1 is 24 from left to right. So it is minus 24. So look at it. Look at the answers. These answers are so easy to read and write and we can understand the value of the number. But if you look at the left hand side, numbers are so big. It is so difficult to read them and write them. So this is where we use this scientific notation. So please understand the whole number should be from 1 to 9. And if you move the point from right hand side to left hand side, it is positive. And from left to right, it is negative. These are the two things you have to remember in changing into scientific notation. Okay, children, with this exercise gets over. We'll see the next topic in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you.